As we have seen in the previous podcast, the Roman civilization succeeded in developing the concrete as never before. But the Roman Empire fell in 476, and so the Middle Ages started and the concrete technology crept backward. You see, the Middle Ages is a strange period of time where it seems that people have forgotten all the knowledge of the antiquity. And so constructors, rulers decided to build all the important constructions such as churches in stone. They go back in time. And the only research were made about mortars, how to fix a stone with another. During a long time, the constructor used non-hydraulic mortars, until they discovered, 1,000 years after, manuscripts describing the technique of the pozzolan cement that the Romans developed. But we have to wait until the 18th century to see the constructors and engineers take a real interest in the concrete technology. And it started with the British engineers called John Smeaton. This engineer pioneered the use of hydraulic lime in concrete, using pebbles and powdered brick as aggregate. And with this method, he succeeded in building the Smeaton Towers. After that, in 1824, another Englishman, Joseph Aspdin, invented the famous Portland cement by burning finely ground chalk and clay until the carbon dioxide was removed. This cement was named after the high-quality building stones quarried in Portland, a city in England. But, despite of all these discoveries, the concrete was still used only for industrial buildings. We have to wait the intervention of a French gardener, you have heard it, a French gardener, to make a difference. You see, this French gardener, which was called Joseph Monnier, was looking for a technique to make some big and resistant plant pots. He had the idea to use concrete, but it was not enough, and he added in this concrete thin steel bars so that it could reinforce the concrete, and so that he invented, in fact, the reinforced concrete. The reinforced concrete that we use every day was invented by a French gardener. And then another Frenchman, François Coignet, which was an industrialist, had the idea to use this reinforced concrete to build the first houses in France. Since then, concrete is the most frequently used building materials all around the world. And many innovations have occurred. Formulas have been tested, improved. Nowadays, all kinds of concrete exist, depending on resistance. For example, the reinforced concrete, but there is also the pre-stressed concrete, which is even more resistant, the fiber concrete. And the constructors played also on the concrete aspects. You can find floated concrete, rough concrete, thin concrete, translucent concrete, so that nowadays architects can play with all kinds of concrete in their buildings. And you, do you like concrete? Did you like this story? Don't hesitate to put a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to read all kinds of histories about architecture, nice articles about it, and learn more, you can take a look at the free application on Android phones, which is called Archivoce. The link is in the description. I'm leaving you now, guys, and I see you in the next podcast. Bye!